Introducing Minor 2 Bluetooth, a hard-working wireless in-ear with Bluetooth aptX technology. It offers 12 hours of wireless playtime on a single charge and boasts an innovative Earfit system that's engineered to stay in place and feel comfortable throughout the day. Simply put, Minor 2 Bluetooth is in it for the long haul. Connect your device wirelessly to Minor 2 Bluetooth with Bluetooth aptX technology that not only plays music at a higher bitrate, but it also minimizes syncing issues, allowing you to watch movies with perfect lip sync. This technology gives you the freedom and convenience to move within 30 feet of the wireless listening range. Quick charge functionality means 20 minutes of charging will give your battery 2 hours of playtime, and 2 hours will charge the battery fully. These headphones feature custom-tuned 14.2mm dynamic drivers that produce rich highs, crisp mids, and clear, balanced bass that will make you feel like you're center stage. The in-ear design provides just the right amount of noise isolation while still allowing you to hear your surroundings. Minor 2 Bluetooth has been molded with an ergonomic shape that is engineered to stay in place throughout the day while resting lightly in your ears. This innovative design is called the Earfit System, and in addition to its unique shape, it utilizes an adjustable loop to provide an optimized fit. With a multi-directional control knob, you can play, pause, shuffle, and adjust the volume of your device, as well as power your earphones on or off. Easy-to-use phone functionality makes Minor 2 Bluetooth the perfect multitasker. You can answer, reject, or end a call with a few simple clicks. Built-in microphones allow you to have conversations or record voice memos through your device. Automatically pause your music by magnetically attaching the two earpieces together. Once connected, Marshall 2 Bluetooth goes into low-energy standby mode that will completely shut down after 6 hours of non-use. Minor 2 Bluetooth is a wireless in-ear that works as hard as you do. A texturized remote and rubber finish gives it a durable tactile feel, while its compact size makes it easy to bring with you, no matter your journey. Classic Marshall details, such as brass detailing and the iconic Marshall script, are present, and the rubberized finish provides roadworthy durability. Minor 2 Bluetooth is light on your ears and heavy on sound.